Over there. Roxy, do you wanna go get it? Do you wanna? And of course, yung pinaka favorite. Good morning, guys. I've been here for like almost 2 hours already. Yun lang. Ibalik ko lang to mga telepono na to. Ay, dami namang telepono dito. I have this thing, leg thing. That one right there. To put on the legs. But I need more of that because I have only few. So, I will show you. Hold on. You know what I mean? Ah, Tommy told me not to put this drawer yet here. We put this yesterday, this drawer. Oh my god. We put the drawer here. I have to repaint some retouching here. Her. Ay nako. I don't believe you. What did you see out there? I never believe you when you do that. You kind of growl. You growl at me. You do. Look at the way she sat down, guys. It's so funny. Look at that. Why you open your legs so wide, baby? Why? Why? Please help me. Roxy, why you open your leg? Are you giving birth? You open your leg and fly away. You said funny and Miss is a girly, Roxy. You are not a girly, Rox. Rox, you listen to me. I'm gonna go out. I'll be right back. I know, baby. I know, baby. Oh, baby. Baby, mama. Roxy, you have a long leg and that's why. I know that. I don't blame you. Look at this, guys. Always under my foot. What are you doing under my foot? What? You keep talking to me. What are you asking for? I'm gonna go out in the back, in the garage area. Do you wanna go with me? Huh? Which one? Do you wanna go to the garage to get Dada? Or you are just gonna go to the garage with me and go out in that way? Okay. And that's what happened. We're gonna go out. Yes, I know, baby. We're gonna go out, okay? Go out. Do you wanna come here? What are you afraid of? Come here. Or do you wanna go out with Mama? You're already out here. I tried to paint this, guys. The hardware. Roxy. Hi, Rox. What is it? What's that noise over there? Do you wanna go get that noise over there? What do you think is it, Roxy, what is that noise over there? Roxy, do you wanna go get it? Do you wanna go get the noise over there? Huh? Do you want to? What do you want? Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Let's go get it, baby. You're so cute. Hi guys, I'm just finished. Oh my god, Roxy's acting up. Why are you acting up, boy? Why you're acting up, boy? Why you're acting up? Yes. Yes, 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 baby, no, yes, baby, yes, 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 baby, yes, 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 baby, yes, 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 baby, oh, yes, yes. You keep talking to me like that. I don't like it. It's fun to listen. Dingy, 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 ding, dingy, dingy, ding. Okay, I'm okay. I spray outside with the hardware, but the only she's so jealous. Every time Misty comes to me, Roxy's go crazy jealous. Jealous. And I'm gonna do second coat later on, right out the birds. Anyway, I'm going to edit the video for tomorrow because I have a video already. Stop talking to me like that, huh? And look at it. It's 90 degrees outside. Yes, it's 90 degrees outside. Sobrang init. I marinated the thing, guys. Look, I marinated the salmon, guys. And also, I have the one that I get from the other day. My favorite, masarumi. Yay! Luto na ako, guys. Ito lang ang lulutuin ko is the look, tignan nyo, guys. They're hungry. They're staring at me. Hobbs, do you wanna eat? Do you really want to eat now? Seriously? Do you want to eat now? Are you hungry, my love? My love, are you hungry? Yes, Mama, I'm hungry. What do you think? If we sit together, Mama, that means we're both hungry, Mama. We expect you to serve us food, Mama. It's dinner time, Mama. Do you want dinner bag? Tibag? Oh, you hungry na, baby? Look at the face. Okay, guys. Ito lang, guys. Kinokoko ko lang ito, guys. Kinokoko. We still love you. Okay, guys. The food that I'm giving now to the cat is the Fancy Fest Classic Classic with turkey in it. Tommy told me the turkey is for the cat, honey. It's for the cat, not for the dog. I'm just watching vlogs and okay, so ito, guys, if you're gonna get some mushroom that you know, a good mushroom, just get Bella mushroom, you know. This is a baby Bella mushrooms, and they are, I don't know if it's organic, but I don't care if it's not organic or organic, whatever. But the baby Bella is a good mushroom, guys. I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you. So, ang nilagay ko lang dito is paper, ground paper, at saka soap. At saka, maliit lang na salt kasi I add another, you know, maybe like 2-3 tablespoons of koikiman. Guys, ito yun, guys. Kikuman, na kukiman. Kikuman. Ki pala. Oy, hindi pala ko. Kukiman. Kikuman, soy. So, yun. So, yun lang I add ko. And then, I add like the pepper. Ano ba yun? The onion powder. That's it. And I'm just gonna let this cook. Hi guys. Tignan nyo guys. Look at this. The mushroom that I have, it's a lot, remember? And then when you cook it and cook it and cook it and cook it, look what happened. It's only 3 meals for me. I thought it's gonna be like a week thing. Ay nako. Tignan nyo. Lumiit ng lumiit hanggang wala na ako makain guys nito. Ay nako, hindi ako magluluto na ito kung ganito naman lang buhay na ito. Frying the salmon. Ito na siya. Pagod food. Hindi siya pagod guys. Hindi siya pagod. It's just, I brown it. That's how I wanted everything. Like brown and crunchy outside. And it's moist inside. I use spoon. Also tasty. I don't know. Everything is really good. Yeah, I know. I'm poking and I know it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. If it's good, it's good. Nako, my sister. I don't know which one I'm gonna use, the spoon or the fork. No answer. You guys, you know yung favorite ko na kung gusto ko yung ipa-fry na isda, my favorite fried fish in the Philippines, if I'm in the Philippines, yung ano guys, hindi yung salmon, yung maliit tuna, yung tuna na maliit, yung pirit ba, pirit, yung kinakain ko na kinilaw, yung tuna, yung maisda na kinunan, the fish that you get rid of the bones. I know my father liked to do that. I don't know what is the name of the fish, but I like tuna. And of course, yung pinaka favorite ko yung putian. Putian, you get rid of the hasang, you get rid of the head, you get rid of the bone, you kind of slice it. You know, it's just like so good. Huh? If I'm going back to the Philippines when that time comes, I'm gonna stay in Surigao in Bislig, Mangagoy. There's a lot of fish. I will stay there for a week and just keep eating fish, seafoods. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. Where's this thing? Where's this thing?
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
Hi guys, I'm gonna do insert shout out. I don't wanna do insert shout out every day. I'm gonna pick a day, any days. I'm just collecting shout outs. But anyway, today is an insert shout out for you guys. Hi to Migrino Del. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also I'm gonna do insert shout out. I'm sorry if this is very long. It was a long time that I haven't do shout out. But insert shout out to Strina Wells. Hi, thank you for watching. I'm sorry for the late shout out. And also hi to Margs. Yeah, Margs. She said she's a good girl from Martin Margs. Hi, thank you for watching. And hi team Hi Tim Mothi, and I'm sorry if I kind of like, if you feel like I've been ignoring your comment. I'm sorry, I don't realize that you have a comment on Facebook or YouTube, and if I don't see your comment and I don't reply, if I don't reply, that means I don't see your comment. And anyway, hi to you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And also shout out to Grace Rosales. Hi sis. Thank you for watching. And also shout out to Ginilyn Manalo. Hi sis. Thank you for watching sis. And to all of you that's watching right now, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And yeah, sorry for the late shout out because I don't do shout out every day now. I'm just gonna pick a day to do insert shout out. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility.
Oh my god, andito kami ngayon sa labas guys. That was hurt. If I'm using my camera, the regular camera, the video is kinda parang lighter siya, parang still not dark, but in real life like this is dark. But this is too much, like you cannot even see. Yung dito. Parang ang cloud parang kakaiba, no? This cloud seems like it's an art. Hello guys, yun na guys siya guys. Pero I was trying to have that thing, but I cannot find the screws. I don't know if I have the right screws. I like the result. I like the silver hardware, and I like the cat. I just need to put back the mirror with that and put it in there, and I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's just right here because Tommy, we're not done in the ceiling yet. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end this vlog now, and I really do appreciate it. I think time check, it is 9:30, and yeah, so Tom is still working. He's supposed to be out early, but because you know what guys, I spend more time over here, I kind of happy with the result of my painting. Yep, so happy with it. Yep, so happy. Yep, so happy. And thank you guys so much for watching. And that's my nephew right there. You see the picture? That's my nephew. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's vlog, guys. I will see you tomorrow's vlog. Thank you. Bye. Good night, guys.